Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another video, and this one is for the winnings for Yummy Easter. OMG, you guys, if you guys have not seen this, you guys will be like, whoa. Anyways, this is a digital design from Sandy from Decorate Your Life here on YouTube, and she of course has her own shop, so I will link her shop, her channel name, and her Facebook group down on the description below. Again, she is Decorate Your Life, and of course, if you guys have not seen her videos, she does amazing work. And now with her digitals, oh, you guys will be so surprised. Go over to her shop, check it out. She has a digital design. She also sells these. If you want printable, you can't, buy the digital, but you need printable. She also sells the pack. You guys, it's well worth it to buy a digital, you guys. Really, you will be surprised how many times you could reprint this and not pay extra. You guys, the prices are not bad. Honestly, I have reprinted so many of one collection, you guys. You're gonna be like, what? Yeah, I'm like obsessed with one collection right now, and I am printing it and working and doing creations with it like crazy. I know I haven't posted them. I'm hoping to do that soon. But anyway, so we are here for the Yummy Easter collection. So let me go ahead and show you guys. And let me go ahead and this is one of the pages. So I will do the lengthwise because of course yeah, I didn't set up the camera the right way. But anyways, so these are nice cut aparts. You can also resize these to any size, you guys. Oh, you guys, these are just so adorable, and it really makes me hungry. I want to go eat some cake, some marshmallows, some just anything that has anything Easter right now. And look at these, you guys. Oh, look at this, are so cute. So these are cute eggs, and these remind me of the little bags that Dollar Tree sells with the little face and everything. So that is the cutest. And look at this one. This one makes me the hungriest. So there it is. And then you have this one too. And you also have this cute little bunny one, and oh, the colors are so nice. So here are some of the designs. If you guys saw what I created or didn't see what I created last video, so here are what I created. And there you go. And this is another one right here, and of course this one right here. I just did this one, and this one is my favorite. So my winner, I will of course announce the winner at the end of this video. And you guys, it is a digital design. Like I said, you guys need a printer if you guys don't have one. Many stores have them for inexpensive color printer, just to start off with. You don't have to go to $200-300 printer. They do have it less than $100. You guys, well worth it. Like I said, you could reprint many times without having to pay extra. Once you buy the digital, it's yours forever, as long as you save it, and make sure you save it correctly, and you own it forever, and you don't have to rebuy it or anything. You just print it away. So you guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I will also link all the other designers for Sandy's Decorate Your Life here on the description below. So you guys, they are amazing crafters as well. And thank you. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.